When scientists from different fields work together, great and unexpected things can happen. I think when we first started talking about AB Nexus, it was apparent that we had a significant opportunity.
The inspiration behind AB Nexus is really to leverage the expertise across our two campuses. CU Boulder, we have a lot of strengths in the life science and the engineering, and CU Anschutz has an amazing medical campus. And we feel like the synergy between our two campuses could really lead to bigger things.
The first thing we did actually was work on some administrative hurdles. The second half was to put some seed programs out there for grant funding.
This program has really paid off. You can quantify the success of the program directly in the amount of research funding that is generated from outside sources.
Some of the neatest things we can do in science is bringing together the most disparate researchers possible, bringing together a physician researcher with an engineer. And that's where a lot of the great discoveries and great impacts can happen.
Being forced to step out of our comfort zone and what we know and learn new things. You think that's a pretty common thing among scientists, but it's actually really not. So the AB Nexus program really forces me to think on a different level.
My research focuses on cancer drug discovery and development. Really, the collaboration between my lab and Carolyn's lab was ideal because Carolyn is a leader in the field of structural biology. So the marriage between the two was really fantastic.
It's almost like you're traveling to a new land and everything seems very unfamiliar, and you don't know the language. But then once you've traveled there for a little while with a good guide, you can actually enjoy yourself and do really exciting things.
Problems do not exist in the cute little boxes that we've made and saying that, okay, this is psychology, this is mathematics, this is engineering. Real problems exist across the entire spectrum of what individuals study. So what we're trying to do with our research is leverage advanced mathematics, chaos theory, and complexity theory in order to predict problematic behaviors in children in the clinical population.
I was really interested in this general line of research, but knew that with my clinical expertise, I was missing something, an expertise in terms of being able to use complex methodologies to predict and to study these behaviors. Being able to collaborate and to work with others and see things from a different perspective really helps break that ceiling so you can have a broader impact on the people that you're ultimately working for.
I'm hoping that we will really lead the way for maybe new opportunities at the national level that are driven by what's being envisioned here.
Great things can happen and unexpected sorts of questions can be asked when we work together. And I think that culture, that esprit that's developed is really going to be one of those lasting things that AB Nexus can give us.